Hey guys, this is Tanika and welcome to Magnolia Home Decor. Hey, it's Tanika from Magnolia Home Decor. Welcome to another segment of Personal Touch. Today I would like to talk to you about a quartz that we call Stellar Night. Today we're going to highlight the black and sparkle, and the dark background really brings out this sparkle. So today I thought maybe we would pair this with Carpathian flooring. The Carpathian flooring has a hint of gray and the brown in it with a little bit of darkness that kind of contrasts maybe a black. So I thought maybe that might be a little bit of an option if you have a lot of natural lighting in your house. If you don't have a lot of natural lighting, I do not recommend a dark countertop and a dark floor. However, if you have a light color floor, then natural lighting doesn't matter as much. Of course, remember, natural lighting always makes everything look better, but you can go with a lighter flooring if you like this dark countertop. Kind of give it a contrast. And this is a vinyl flooring, and the name of this is Cascade. That's the name of the color. Also, you can see in the background, we have a lot of different other colors to choose from. One of the colors that I would like to highlight is Brisbane. Also, I would like to highlight Kempsey. I think Kempsey really pairs well with this sparkle. That's an excellent color. And then of course you have the Sienna if you like the dark, but Kempsey is my favorite because Kempsey not only shows the gray hue, but it also has a little bit of the black, and I think this would do wonders for this quartz. Also, as I always say, when it comes to sinks, I think that you can get away with doing a color other than stainless steel. You could do a white farm sink or apron sink if you want to bring some color into the kitchen, but if not, you can always go with stainless steel sink. As always, thanks for watching. And remember, you can always find us on the World Wide Web at magnoliahomedecor.org. Or give us a phone call, 678-272-6565. Have a great day.